Tugboat. To run a fleet of tugboats, you have to be prepared to take on any tugboat. On this day, I remember Hercules had taken crack base. It had been a rough journey, real rough. He had to suffer Blue Nose, the official.
Attention, nothing. I'm finished here, old darling. Moving out. The little stick like you doesn't tell me what to do.
Right, Starfleet.
Well said, 10 cents.
Listen, you two. Towing this lot's the tricky bit. Jack, move off first. Right. Go slow and don't take any nonsense from the star mob. Show them explosives don't scare us. If they come too close, just blow them up. Yeah.
You naval twit. You scrapped a brand new barge deliberately.
That's interesting. But what is also interesting is that I don't give a shit.
Night.
I'll be glad to get rid of this lot.
Attention! Attention!
Hey, what?
Yes.
You shouldn't move a barge that's being unloaded.
This is my pool, Ace.
Go and draw your pension, OJ, you bastard.
Shut up!
We're not moving that barge, mister.
Wait, baby. Obey orders.
Yeah, what's going on? The schedule says I'm next.
Don't you start, laddie. Wait your turn.
Yeah, I'm coming alongside. This barge has to be unloaded. I've got orders too.
Hey.
I'm coming alongside.
Haha, we'll see about that. Cut.
Now watch me whip. Kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay.
He's done it.
Took real skill to make that move.
Fire! Fire!
That's all we needed.
Warrior! Get out of there!
I like it good.
Move back, warrior! Move back!
No, sir.
Okay, warrior.
This is getting too dangerous. The tank's blistering badly. I know it's starting to smoke. It's gonna go any second. I've got to get out of here.
Give it up and down up.
Oh dear. Seems I'm too late to save the day.
10 cents should have been back by now.
We must all salute a very brave tug. We ladies are escalator!